Frequently asked questions about treasury bills. We've done the part 1 and the part 2. This is the part 3. And I'm starting the part 3 from number 11. And this particular question, this number 11 question was asked in the last video in the comment section. And I'm giving the answer now. So which is, when can I buy treasury bills? When can I buy treasury bills? Now, just like I've said in the previous video, that treasury bills, you can buy treasury bills from two major markets, Is either the primary market or the secondary market. The primary market is buying directly from the CBN, from the Central Bank of Nigeria, and that is issued twice in a month, fortnightly. The first week and the third week, majorly, is issued fortnightly. So you need to understand that. Meanwhile, when you are buying from other asset management company, for instance, from Steinbrück IBTC, the asset management company, from First Bank of Nigeria, FBN Quest, you can buy at any time. You can buy at any time. And I said that the minimum you can buy from the primary market is 50 million naira, the one that is sold twice in a month, while the one from the secondary market, the minimum you can do is 100,000 naira. Meanwhile, we have other applications that you can buy, that you can install, and you begin to transact with them. They are registered, they are verified. However, please still do your own research. Don't just go by what I've said. Do you understand? Do your own research, be convinced about it. We have apps like Bamboo, like iInvest. You will see it where you can buy treasury bills, and you can buy as low as 10,000 naira, as low as 10,000 naira, and the interest rate is also good. So that is number 11. I hope you understand that. You can buy it at any time if it is the secondary market and other apps, while if it is CBN, it is sold fortnightly. That is number 11. What is number 12? When will I receive my interest? When will I receive my interest and principal in treasury bills investments? This is important because the reason why you are investing is because of the interest. You are not just putting your money there. It is not a savings account. It is an investment account. So you need to know when you are going to receive your interest. I need to say this, that one thing about treasury bills investment is that it is issued at a discounted price. When I say issued at a discounted price, I will give you an analogy so that you will understand. I'll give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you want to invest in treasury bills and you want to put in 500,000 naira for 364 days. 364 days at 20%. So you are going to deposit 500,000 naira into your account, and if it is the apps, into your wallet. Now, at the point of deducting the amount you want to invest, they will deduct 400,000 naira, which means they would have factored in that 20%. So they will not deduct the all 500,000 naira. What they are going to deduct is 400,000 naira. So at the end of that 364 days, you are going to receive 500,000 naira. I hope you understand. So it is issued at a discounted rate. So instead of investing 500,000 naira, they deducting the 500,000 naira, I mean the investment platform, they will not deduct the 500,000 naira. Which means if they are deducted the 500,000 naira, by the time you are liquidating, by the maturity of that investment, they should give you 600,000 naira. Because at the end, what you should have is what? It's 600,000 naira. So what they do is what? They deduct 400,000 naira. By the time you want to liquidate it, they will not give you 500,000 naira. I hope that makes sense to you. Okay, so let's move on. Can I invest in treasury bills online? Yes, you can. You can invest in treasury bills online. So what can you do? I have two platforms that I can recommend. However, please, it's not a financial advice. It is just my own opinion. That's what I use, which is the FBN Quest, First Bank Quest. You can Google it if you want to go with asset management firms, and you can do Steinbrück as well, Steinbrück IBTC. They also have an asset management company that deals with that. And if you are looking for an app that you can just install on your phone, whether through iOS or Android, you can try iInvest or Bamboo. They are easy to follow by the time you just install them on your app. So that is that. Number 14, what do you need to invest in Treasury bills? What do you need? If you are going through First Bank, the asset management firm, whichever one, asset management firm, whether First Bank, whether Stanbic IBTC, whether the one by UBA, most of these banks, they usually have the asset management side. If you are going through that platform, you need something called the CSCS accounts, Central Security Clearing System accounts. You need that. If that is what you need, if you are going through the asset management platform. Now, if you are going through the apps, what you just need is your KYC, know your customer, which is your BVN, your NIN, and also your means of identification. Know your customer, you just provide those information, and you are good to go, and you fund your wallets, and eventually you just apply and it will be deducted. I hope that is understandable. What is number 15, the last question? When can I terminate my T-bills investment? When can I terminate it? It depends on the platform you are using. If you are using the asset management firm like FBN Quest, like Stanbic IBTC, you can terminate at any point in time. It is just to write a letter, an instruction letter, instructing them to terminate, and if it is an email, but that email must have an email indemnity. There's something called email indemnity. You will see it by the time you go through Stanbic IBTC, you will see it there, email indemnity. And if you are going through the app, terms and conditions apply. For instance, iInvest, they will tell you that they are withholding day, which means before you can liquidate, the minimum is 30 days. After 30 days, you can liquidate, but the minimum is 30 days. So whichever platform you are using, please make sure you do your own research. Don't forget, always remember that the first rule of investment is what? Is knowledge. Investigate before you invest. So it is good to have a good knowledge, a working knowledge of whatever investment platform you want to deploy for Treasury bills investment. In the next video, I'll be talking about the advantages and the disadvantages, which is the pros and the cons of investing in Treasury bills. So if this video has helped you, kindly give it a like, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe on this channel. We discuss business, investments, and finance. So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.